When was the last time you made love? Now imagine feeling all that pleasure much more intensified. If you are here, it is because you want to increase and itemize to the maximum what you feel, or you have some problem that makes you too fast. But don't worry, today we are here with several solutions for you. Everything that will be presented is scientifically based, done with psychological and physical studies, and proven. Subscribe to our channel and activate the little bell to not miss the next video, and stay until the end so as not to miss any important information. You are on the Curious Facts channel, and today you are going to watch this video and triple what you feel. Pelvic floor exercises. Strengthening the pelvic floor muscles can help men better control their ejaculations and last longer during intercourse. 2. Edging. This technique involves touching yourself until you are near the apex and then stopping. Repeat this process several times until you have a better understanding of how close you are to the point of no return. Doing this before the act relationship can help you control yourself better. Before going on to the next topic, leave a like. And there, did you? Then let's move on to the next topic. 3. Distraction. When you are near the point of no return, distracting yourself by thinking about something else can help prevent premature ejaculation. This can include focusing on your partner's physical sensations, or focusing on a fantasy that is unrelated to the act at that moment. 4. Desensitizing agents. Desensitizing agents, such as creams, sprays, and gels, can help reduce the sensitivity of the organ and make it harder to reach the point of no return. If you click on the first link in the comments now, you will see the best option on the market right now. 5. Breathing techniques. Breathing slowly and deeply can help delay your climax by calming the body and preventing it from becoming too excited. For best results, start breathing slowly when you are near the point of no return and continue to breathe deeply until the feeling passes. We have come to the end of another video. Comment here below on your biggest problem so that we can make a video related to it. Subscribe to our channel, we have new videos every day. Leave your like, activate the little bell. See you in the next video.